Alright guys, so we are well into winter here in Los Angeles, and obviously it's not the coldest place to live on earth, but regardless of that, I still want to talk to you about the Lasko 6435 ceramic heater. This thing is awesome. I've had it for about, I don't know, like 3 years now. It's been a while. And every winter, which here lasts about a couple weeks, I pull this thing out of the garage and use it to heat up the living room, my own room, just wherever I need it in the house in general. Right off the bat, super easy to use. When I got it, I didn't have to set it up or anything. I literally just pulled it out, comes with an extension cord, and boom, it's ready to go. So it's super straightforward in terms of operation. I don't know if I even ever looked at the manual. I think I just pulled it out and knew pretty much exactly what to do. In terms of the look, it's got a really nice decorative appearance. Like that ceramic, that brown style ceramic design, which is really nice. So, you know, it matches with kind of any home decor. And it's a lot more attractive than most heaters, which kind of have that metallic modern look, in my opinion. I mean, some people like that, but this I think fits better with anything you have. It heats up super quickly. Don't have to, you know, waste time waiting around for it to get warm. You just plop it down, plug it in, turn it on, and within, you know, under a minute, it's already hot. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys how it works. So, or just kind of the features on top. I'm gonna turn it on, and there it goes. One thing that I really dig about this is the oscillating feature on top. So turn that on, and you'll see it starts oscillating. So you can turn it on or off very easily. Keep it on because, you know, it spreads heat throughout the entire room. You're not just, you know, directing it to one place. So that's really nice. This thing also has a timer on the top. This makes the heater switch off after a certain amount of time. So this is great, you know, for having control of energy consumption, or, you know, safety if you're worried about leaving it on. I use it for, you know, I've had it in my room a couple times just when I'm going to bed, and typically I'll switch it on for like an hour, you know. And so after an hour, the heater will just completely shut off, which is awesome because, you know, I don't want to leave it on pointing towards my bed or anything like that, just in case, you know, anything were to like catch on fire or something. I don't know if it would be that crazy, but you never know. So it does go up to 7 hours. As you can see, the 1, 2, and 4 hour thing are highlighted right now. So it's 1 to 7 hours, which is, you know, 7 hours. A lot. Yeah, and then also, you can also choose between a high and low setting on the top. I usually just keep it on high, but I don't know. Again, like energy consumption, if that's something you are worried about, you can do that. And also switching between temperatures on top. Ooh. There you go. Oh, there you go. So yeah, sometimes this is one thing I have noticed with this is the buttons have gotten a little finicky since I've gotten it. So it's a little difficult to press. I've had it for, like I said, about 3 years, and the buttons on top, sometimes you have to press them a little hard just to get them working. But I don't know if that's maybe just something with mine. Maybe it's been thrashed around a bit. But yeah, other than that, I mean, great heater. One thing I also do notice is that it does cool down super fast when you turn it off, which is nice in terms of, you know, safety if you don't want it to be like, you know, a big hot machine when you turn it off. But unlike a conventional heater, it won't, you know, keep the room cool. So if that's something you're worried about, then maybe, you know, that's just something you should keep in mind before buying this. In all, this is a great choice for a small heater. Really good looking, provides warmth, super fast, really simple. It's got a really nice sleek design. This metal cage at the bottom, I love that too. It's very sturdy. Oh, and lastly, it does have this like automatic heat protection. So if it does, you know, tip or get way too hot, it will shut off automatically. So that's just another great little feature. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this thing. You know, whether you just need to cool down like a room in the house, or maybe a place in your garage if you're doing work out there during the winter. Even if you have central heat or air in your house, but just want a little something extra, this is a great little device. So yeah, the Lasko 6435 ceramic heater, definitely recommend it. All right, bye.